Find the area of the red triangle. Okay, so this is a simple calculation where you simply need to add 80 plus 11 minus 78 minus 5 to give us an answer of 8. Wait, what? But how? Okay, so basically, to get to this answer, we need to understand the basic arithmetic properties of the areas of the parallelograms and triangles and the connection between them. If we now recall the area of a parallelogram, it is simply base times height. For the area of the triangle, it is base times height divided by 2. Okay. Before we talk about the two main shapes here, let's label all the regions in our parallelogram. Let's call this triangle A. For this triangle, it's B. For this region, it's C. For this triangle, it's D. For this region, it's E. And for this final triangle, it is F. Okay. Let's talk about the connection between the triangles and the parallelogram. So here is a parallelogram. So for any triangle which has a base on one side of the parallelogram and reaches the opposite side of the parallelogram like this, it is exactly half of the area of the parallelogram. And this rule applies the same even if you have multiple triangles like this. In this case, two triangles, as long as they start on one side of the parallelogram and their heights reach the opposite side. Okay, next, let's apply all of these properties that we now know. So if we now find the total sum of the area of these two triangles, we have A plus the red triangle area plus 78 plus C plus 5. And remember, this is half the area of the parallelogram. If we now equate this to the area of this triangle, which is A plus 80 plus C plus 11. And notice here, to now solve this equation, we have A both sides. So if we divide by A both sides, the A's will cancel out. We also have C's both sides. So if we divide by C both sides, the C's will cancel out. So notice we are going to be left with the red area plus 78 plus 5 will be equal to 80 plus 11. And all of this will simplify to the red area plus 83 is equal to 91. If we now take away 83 both sides, we are going to get the red area will be equal to 8. That's it.